In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customer payments, Zoho Books. Recording payments accurately keeps your books clean, shows you what's still owed, and makes your reports trustworthy. So let's walk through the simplest way to do it. First, open Zoho Books and look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon. This is your shortcut for creating new transactions quickly. Click that icon, and from the list that appears, select Customer Payment. This takes you straight to the form where you'll capture the payment details. Now, it's time to enter the details of the payment. Start by selecting the customer who sent the money. Picking the correct customer ensures the payment lands in the right account and lines up with their outstanding balance. If the customer exists in your system, they'll appear in the drop-down. If you have customers with similar names, slow down and double-check you've chosen the right one. Next, enter the amount received. Type the exact amount that hit your account, including cents if there are any. Make sure the currency is correct if you work with multiple currencies. Then, set the payment date. Use the date the funds were received or deposited, depending on how you track cash flow. Consistent dating helps your bank reconciliation and your aging reports stay accurate. You can also add helpful context in the remaining fields. Choose a payment method if that's relevant, such as cash, card, or bank transfer, and add a reference number so you can trace it back to a bank statement or transaction ID later. If you need to remember anything special about this payment, use the notes field for a brief description. These small details can save time if you need to review the transaction in the future. Before you finalize, pause for a quick review. Confirm the customer name, the amount, the date, and any references are all correct. Catching typos now is much easier than fixing them later. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will create the payment record and update your customer's balance. You'll see the payment listed in your transactions, and your reports will reflect the change. If you ever notice something off afterward, you can open the payment again and make adjustments as needed. That's all there is to it. Click the plus icon, choose Customer Payment, enter the customer, amount, date, and any relevant details, then save. With this quick workflow, you'll keep your accounts accurate and up to date in just a few clicks.